slowing the train down, right? Let's see how it works here. It'd probably be a good beat. If you don't mind, I'll handle. We're not lying down. The 1920 lead switch is bad. I think the low side's against us. So I'm right here. Either or, however you want to do it. Yeah, I handle up here. Good luck. Going up here by the 1920 lead switch on the pole. Yeah, seems to be fine. Guys, yeah, they filled back in on us this wind. Southbound. Detector, mile 36.3. Southbound. No defects. Temperature 12 F. Total axles 38. Speed 31. Detector out. Answer Pontiac, over. Yeah, 5246, copy, Bill, over. 5246, I copy, over. Making our way back into Auburn. There's that 251 there yet? Yeah, he is currently making power with the Ulster 52. Made his 6-star set off to 51, and now he's possible power. Okay, my plan was, I'm assuming these aren't going to make his pickup, so I'm going to go around the Y, go into that 16 track, and get out of his way, and then I'll start switching and find the track for all my westbound. Get out of his way, and then once he clears, I'll start doing the switches, and then I'll let Scott know where the westbounds will be. Over. Alright, roger that. Sounds good, man. I'll see you next time. Copy.